Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to check and analyze operating system and operating system version reports in Google Analytics 4. First of all, you have to log in your Google Analytics account and then go to reports section, and here you can see users at the bottom. If you are not able to see this report, you can click on library and then publish it from here. So if you are able to see, you can click on tag details inside the tag, and here you will see browser. You can change it to operating system. Now you can see operating system wise reports. If you want to see version as well, so you have to search version, OS version, and then click. So here you can see version report as well for OS. And if you want to see for a specific device, you have to click on add filters and then choose device category. Exact मैं suppose I want to see for desktop, and then click, and here you can see. So you can also check spam traffic and all. If you are getting traffic from older versions of Chrome or operating systems, then might be possible that you are getting spam traffic or port traffic, and you can analyze it. If you see any spike, you must analyze. You can choose the date. Suppose you got huge spike on 27, you can click here and then apply, and then you can analyze that which OS or what browser traffic is coming. Accordingly you can decide that, oh, it's a very older version, it might be possible that spammers are using it, and you can block it or exclude it from there. So here you can exclude, add condition, operating system, and exactly match. And suppose I want to use Linux, it looks you know uh, it looks suspicious, then you can exclude it. So does not equal we will use here, because we want to exclude. Does not equally match, so you can use it and click here, and now you can see. If you want to remove this one, you can remove and then apply. So here you can see you are getting only this traffic. So many analysis you can do. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment box, and anything you want to ask, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much.